If you are wondering if you need to purchase a charger or power adapter for your Xiaomi 17, then the answer depends on the two main things. The first thing is if you expect to receive a charger or power adapter with the phone. In that case, the answer is no. Apparently, power adapters are not included for Xiaomi 17 inside the box. So if you hope to get one with the phone, then you will not get it. And at least according to the Xiaomi's global website, there is no mention at all about the power adapter, so I can safely assume that you just cannot get your Xiaomi 17 with a power adapter. Now, on the other hand, if you are thinking about using a power adapter from your previous device, then in that case, you don't really need to buy a charger. Of course, you can still consider upgrading your power adapter because there's a chance that your power adapter for your previous phone can be actually upgraded. Maybe the phone can use more watts than the power adapter can give. And in the case of Xiaomi 17, the phone can be charged using up to 100 watts with the QC3 Plus support and PD 3.0. 100 watts PPS is also possible, so if you have a power adapter that uses PD 3.0, QC3 Plus or PPS, and it has 100 watts, then it's going to be perfect for Xiaomi 17. But if you have anything less than that, then of course you can consider upgrading and replacing your power adapter, although it is not really necessary because you can still charge your phone. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.